fifth graders, we are going to review how to solve long division problem. I have 2,896 divided by 39. Remember our steps? We divide, multiply, subtract, compare, and bring down. Dirty monkeys seldom care to bathe. Does McDonald's sell cheeseburgers? Those of you who have had me for math know that my favorite step is compare. Don't forget to compare. That is such an important step. So the first step before we solve this problem is we need to decide where the first digit in our quotient or answer is going to be. So I start and I say, does 39 go into 2? No, it does not. Does 39 go into 28? No, it does not. Does 39 go into 289? Yes, it does. So the first digit is going to go above the 9. That means that we only have one more spot available for a digit in our quotient. So we can only have a 2-digit answer for this problem. Okay, our next step is to round the divisor. So in my mind, I wanted to think of the 39 as a 40. This helps me get started in the problem. I can look at the front end of the problem and I can say, how many times does 4 go into 28? That is 7 times. I've just divided, so my next step is to multiply. Remember, when I go to multiply, I do not use the 40. I come off to the side and I take the 39 times 7. I multiply. 7 times 9 is 63, carry my 6. 7 times 3 is 21, plus 6 more is 27. So 39 times 7 is 273. My next step is to subtract. 9 minus 3 is 6. 8 minus 7 is 1. 2 minus 2 is 0. Ms. Hanson's favorite step, compare. You have to make sure that what you end up with is less than your divisor. 16 is less than 39, so my next step is to bring down. Remember, every time I bring something down, I have to put something up. So up here, I'm going to put my next number. I go back to my 40, my rounded 40, and again, I look for the small part of the problem. How many times does 4 go into 16? 4 times. Now remember, you do not use the 40, you use the 39 to do your multiplying. 39 times 4. 9 times 4 is 36, carry a 3. 4 times 3 is 12, plus 3 more is 15. So I put my 156 underneath my 166, and my next step is to subtract. 6 minus 6 is 0, 6 minus 5 is 1. Again, my favorite step, come back and check, compare. Can I have 10 left over? Yes, it's less than 39. There's nothing else to bring down, so my final answer is 74, remainder 10.